there, Tallman Clan. Welcome back. Today we are in Mesa, Arizona. Hey there, Tallman Clan. Welcome back. Today we are in Mesa, Arizona, just outside Phoenix. We are at Blue Compass RV. We're looking at a Twilight. This is the Twilight 190. The sucker's like half price. You should come check it out. And if you're looking for a tiny travel trailer, this is definitely the one. Let's look at it. All right, so as we start up in the front, you've got a really decent sized storage compartment, Lisa. But additionally, there's this tray, right? It sort of recesses back into the floor.
Oh, look at that.
Right? Of course, the only thing to use it is anything you do have in here you got to take out. But I just think that's kind of neat.
Yeah, that's awesome.
You do have electric jacks. They're powered. It's not auto level, but they're electric. If you look up, there's an awning that covers from where I'm standing all the way to the back. You get a step above step. It's dual axle. We move around to the back. Your spare tire would be mounted here. You've got a hitch for accessories. If you look up, it is pre-wired for backup camera. The only thing not back here is a ladder mounted full time, but you do have the Lippard attach ladder accessory. Okay. As we come around over here, this is sort of your utility area. This is your city water, your cable, your power, and your sewer, all right here. As we move further forward, here's the other side of that front storage compartment.
Very nice.
Okay. Let's get a look at the weights, Lisa. So this has a gross vehicle weight of 7,360 pounds and has a cargo carrying capacity, drum roll please, of 2,799 pounds.
Wow.
That is crazy. So when this thing is empty, it's under 5,000 pounds when it's empty, right? Yeah, because it's like 5,600 pounds, no, 4,700 pounds empty.
Wow.
That is great.
Yeah.
Let's move around to the front. You got two 20-pound propane tanks, electric jack, spot for 2 batteries, and it's awesome. So let's go take a look at that inside. All right, so remember, this is a tiny travel trailer. And so something's gonna have to give, or they're gonna have to be creative. In this case, they were creative. Your bedroom and living room is right here. So here is your sofa. It's a jackknife, which I'll show you in a minute, which is pretty comfortable. There's no TV currently mounted, but I feel it would be here, but that's not the case. The TV would mount here, because your TV connections are right there, as well as your Furrion audio system. So the TV would have to go on an arm and slide out. But what I mean by creative, this is a jackknife. So this just goes down, just like so, which, by the way, there is storage under there, too. Want to make sure I show you all that. And then your bed just flips out. So not exactly a Murphy situation, but sort of similar, right? So you're just capitalizing on all the space. Around the bed, if you will, there's obviously a couple of cabinets here at the end where you can hang stuff. There's doors up here for storage. I like to see pistons on those so you don't have to hold them like that, right? There is some shelving left and right. Probably be easier to see that on that other side, Lisa.
Absolutely.
You see any power? Oh, sorry everybody. Sorry, that's me moving the bed or the sofa. I don't see power back there, Lisa.
I don't see
by the
power
bed
either.
Yeah, so power, we want to make sure that we show you these things, and no, I do not see power at all by the bed. So no power by the bed. That's kind of weird. All right. Well, as long as you don't need a CPAP, you're good to go. All right. Over here to the right, traditional dinette. What I mean by that is this table comes down, sort of on a piston, if you will, and this can convert into a bed. The benches are also storage. You can access from the door or from on top. It is, a tiny travel trailer. So if you're tall like I am, 6'4", just be careful getting in and out of the slide. Okay. Then right across, we talked about where the TV would go, right there. But there's a few drawers underneath there too, Lisa.
Yeah, there sure are.
Yep.
That one's a deep drawer there.
They are.
I wonder if there's power up underneath here.
No, there's power up top here. so you can plug your TV in.
Gotcha.
So.
Okay.
And I'm sure there's power here in the back when we look in the kitchen.
Yeah. So for the kitchen, we've got this nice little. Actually, we have a decent countertop
Yeah,
space.
this is a really a large countertop situation for a tiny travel trailer.
It really is.
Since
for
we were
sure.
talking about power, it's right there. Okay.
Yeah, and you have your blinds here.
Yep.
So you can open or close them.
Nice.
Yeah, plenty of space for all your little appliances. We do have a 3-burner stove with an oven. Back here we've got.
You got to pull. Yeah, the magnets are
pretty
strong.
Yeah, we've got some
So
storage.
that's full storage, but that's sort of at an angle.
It
down
actually stops right there.
there. It's all right. It's from the outside.
Yep. Okay. And I'm going to go back here to the refrigerator.
Yep. This is
We'll look at that.
propane.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Dometic works on propane or electric.
Mm-hmm.
So let's not forget this cubby up here. It's a really deep cubby, guys. I mean, that's really a lot of storage. Your only problem, it's just a smaller hole, so you can't put large things, but you can put a lot of things.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.
All right. So then moving right along, we do have another door here,
And
which
it's
you can
accessible,
access
yes.
the back area there. You've got your microwave here. There we go.
We're not level, right? So everything doesn't
Yes.
open the way that it should.
And we do have another cabinet over here.
By the way, before we forget, look, 24,885, right? Regular price 52. It is a 2023, and I know the 2024s are out now, but if you're looking for a deal, that is a deal.
For sure, absolutely.
All right.
So right underneath that, we do have our large single basin sink with a tall faucet and a couple more cabinets underneath here.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. What do you
Man.
think this is?
I don't know. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
So if you're jumping around the video and didn't hear, I am 6'4", so use my height as reference as I've been walking around the RV. And at my height on this toilet, I just fit. I mean, my feet they can't be any further. My shoulder is going to be touching the door when the doors close. So you're going to feel a little bit tight in here. If you're claustrophobic, it may not work for you. It doesn't bother me. But if you're much bigger than me, it's going to be a little awkward. Okay? To my right, you got your under countermount sink. A little bit of countertop space there for the lotions and potions. There's one little storage drawer here. There's a little compartment down behind me here, which is, I'm assuming, where you're going to have to put your toilet paper. All right, there is power, as you can see. Medicine cabinet, and I can see from my nose down if the door is closed. If I open the door, obviously, I can see everything. Okay, but you can store lots of meds in there. The only thing that is not in here, now it doesn't want to close. Well, they're going to have to fix that. Is a cabinet for storing your towels. There's no cabinet for towels in here. All right, let's climb in the shower. Shower is a good size. I think this is a 30 by 36 shower, which is a really nice size. My head is up in the bubble, and it has to stay in the bubble. But because the bubble is the whole, just basically the whole width of the shower, I have full access to the entire use of the shower. So reminds me of our shower, Lisa. So we've got one shelf in the front, we've got one shelf in the back, and of course our favorite door.
Ah, I love that door.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So look, couple little things, right? We got to fix the medicine cabinet. No power by the bedroom that we found. It doesn't mean that it's not there, but if it's there, it's well hidden. In fact, we'll do one more thing. We'll look. Maybe it's inside the cabinet. No, not inside that cabinet. All right. So we're trying. Other than those couple things, at this price point, this is a really nice tiny travel trailer with a generous sized kitchen.
Yeah.
And incredibly light when you're empty, right? So if this is for you, definitely give the people at Blue Compass a call. Make sure you tell them the Tall Man sent you, because it's on sale for like 25 grand.
Less than half price.
Less than half price.
Yeah.
All right. Until we see you all again on the Tall Man Clan. God bless you guys. We appreciate you from the bottom of our heart. We love you. Until we see you all again, be safe.